What's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie back with another video. Hopefully everybody had a great holiday season. Happy New Year's to you, late Merry Christmas, and all that good stuff, right? Today we have an unboxing of the new trimmers from Caliber, 22 Stinger, linear magnetic motor. They say they're the first one. I don't know. Let's see. But before we get into that, if you like the video, like the videos, share the videos, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed so far. The giveaway went good. I had more people enter the giveaway than expected, so I actually gave away another pair of clippers, which were the Wall Magic clips, the Filthy Blends modification kind of them. So yeah, thank y'all. We on the road to 1K, baby. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway. I don't know what actually be in it yet. I ain't gonna try to keep y'all here long, right? I'm gonna just boom, unbox this thing. This is the 22 Stinger linear magnetic motor cordless trimmer from Caliber. These were actually on the pre-order. Don't remember how. I gotta work on that. I'm always not remembering what stuff costs, right? So I'm gonna put the price of it right there. Come down, right here. You see the price? That's the price that was on the pre-order when they came out. I probably ordered them probably a month ago. They actually came in yesterday. So we're just gonna do the unboxing. So let's see what they got right here a little bit. It's a superior Japanese precision linear magnetic motor. It's a lot of words for a lot of words, right? It says the first and fastest linear magnetic trimmer, more than 10,000 RPM. More than. So make sure y'all oiling these up. All right, got 10,000 RPM, low noise, less vibration technology. You got the Pro lithium ion battery, cordless and corded technology, 120 minutes of power. So you got 120 minutes of runtime, that's 2 hours, which for a trimmer is fine. I'm not mad at that. It don't say how long it takes to get that full charge, but once you got a full charge, hey, 2 hours. Can't be mad at that. It says easy to zero gap, stays cooler, lasts longer, rust free. Let's get to it. So as y'all can see, they got the flap. Who flap it is, I don't know. But they got the flap, right? When I got the 357 Magnum that had that barber pole stripe on it, I kind of wish Caliber would just have that as their thing. You get what I'm saying? Like, oh no, they boxes just have the barber pole. You know what I mean? Even if the color don't match, like I said, it's not out of place because we're barbers, but the color just adds a little accent to it with that red, white, and blue on it. You get what I'm saying? So I would like that. You open the box, it's straight like this. Boom. You see they got the different color plates. They got a charging dock, so I'm not mad at that. A few companies are doing that, or it was really Caliber and Gamma. They doing the plates, you know, coming with the extra plates. So that's cool. Before we get to the trimmer though, let's see what's actually in the box. Of course, you get your charger, USB connector, the guards that no one cares about, which I know some people do. I'm just saying I don't. Some people, a lot of people. Either way. And get your fancy screwdriver. So somebody was telling me that these companies, Caliber and Gamma, may be designed by the same companies. And they the only two who got these little screwdrivers. So it might be something to it. And they the only one that got the little, the flap, right? I do wish they would have put something in here. When you open all the other flaps, either from Gamma or Caliber, they give you more of a detailed design in there. I do like that. So maybe they should do that, keep that. But that doesn't matter. All right. But that is the main part of the unboxing. We're gonna get to this trimmer. I already took it out the plastic because I be having trouble in these videos sometimes. And I be looking back at my video like, fam, why are you having so much trouble getting them out the plastic? I don't know how to close these back quick. I like to take my time, get them back in order. So that is the machine. I don't know, that just popped off. I don't know if these supposed to go with the 50 cal, but the design of them are kind of like the 50 cal in the sense of the silver, the chrome finish. See their logo, and then that writing that's right there, the cursive writing is kind of like the writing that's on the the 50 cals. So maybe they do go together, kind of like the Ergos go with the Evos. Maybe these go with the 50 cals. They kind of got the same design. All right. So that's the actual machine. Power button. No LED indicator, no light or anything. Got your charging port. I like that design on the back. So that's your main. I do like Gamma's and Caliber's blades. I do like that blade, wherever they get them from. I don't know if they're the same people. Whoever they get it from, I like them. All right. They say quiet. It's not loud, but it's also not quiet. All right. I'm gonna compare these two, the Evo and the 22 Stinger, just because they kind of got the same design like the Ergos and the 50 cal. Maybe there's like a tag team with these. So about the same. The 22 Stingers may be a little bit louder, but they're not crazy loud. They're not crazy loud, so I understand that. Only reason I did that because that blade looks nicely close. And as you can see, it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right. So I ain't mad at this. I don't really care for this thinness right here. Then it get that wide. It's not bad because you're not holding it right there, but I don't like the thickness of it. But it feels good in your hand. So we definitely gonna use them. We're definitely gonna use them. Like I said, I ain't trying to hold you too long. So if y'all like to see a review on the 22 Stinger from Caliber, leave a comment down below and I will hit a review. I'm gonna use them for a week at least, get my first impressions, and then we'll see if y'all want to see it. If y'all don't, tell me nah, cool. We fam, we cool. I was mixing up my words. Don't even worry about my words. But if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, hit that thumbs down. It's a thumbs down right there. But more y'all, hit that up. If you like, I just said that. Comment on the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Again, we're on the road to 100,000. What is wrong? We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, but we're still on the road to 100,000, Lord willing. But at 1,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway. So make sure y'all subscribe, tell your homies, share the video, all that good stuff. There we go. 22 Stinger.